this is as part of our Golden Jubilee Foundation. Of course, most of you must be aware. Today we are very honored and happy to make a small donation to Grace Foundation. It's a fully equipped bus, and this is a cancer screening vehicle with equipped to go to remote places and then conduct cancer screening and then give out test results immediately. Just for the information of all, LIC is not mandated. LIC doesn't have a mandated CSR because, but it is only out of purely voluntary Golden Jubilee Foundation, which was set up in 2006, that we give. Because you spoke about NMDC, SBI, and all. For them, the Companies Act mandates 2% of net profit to be used for CSR. No such rule for LIC. So it is purely voluntary. And my greetings once again. And as I was telling our people from Grace Foundation, every woman who goes through this, I only pray God that it comes out with a negative report. Thank you.
In spite of this being no mandatory contribution, but the LIC and its present officers, the chief guest is so much gracious enough to donate, to present this vehicle for the good of the public, sir. The pioneer of this, rather I can call it a movement, Mr. Chinnababu, whose main inspiration, his mother, is his mother. Actually, I used to tell him, every woman comes to him, he treats as his mother. That is the greatest good work from his side. I always commend his efforts. And Dr. Pramila Chinnababu also, I feel she is rather overburdened. In spite of Dr. Chinnababu working for Apollo Hospitals as a probatic surgical oncologist, he devotes equally considerable time to the work of the Grace Cancer Foundation ever since it was evolved in the year 2013. I always ask him, are you able to devote sufficient time to Apollo work? But anyhow, he works in such a speedy way and he wins appreciation and commendation from one and all for his good work. Sir, thank you very much. We wish to look forward to many more such helpful and supportive work from the LIC also in future to come, sir. Thank you very much.
I think I will not take much of your time. I'll just wind up in 1 minute, sir. At the outset, on behalf of Grace Cancer Foundation, I would like to greet each one of you a very happy anniversary, even as you celebrate 65th year of existence. We're so grateful to LIC, and I would say every citizen of the country has been in one or other way benefited and been part of LIC. So kudos to you, all the efforts that you are putting across, and on behalf of GCF, I am extremely thankful to you, especially for the gesture which is voluntary in order to touch the lives of people in the rural areas for cancer screening. What you have done, this goes a long way in saving many lives. As you rightly wish, sir, we would prevent cancer first. If at all it has to occur, we would detect it very early so that it can be cured and we can save lives. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind help. And I also, at this point of time, note and thank all the officers of LIC, sir, including the zonal manager is here. Thank you so much, sir, Jagannath sir, for your kind help. And I also thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart, and would only say one commitment, that this bus will go a long way in saving lives. Thank you so much. Special thanks to STM Hyderabad division and the marketing manager as well, and TV Nasim Rao, who has been all the time available. RMCC Ravi Garu, thank you so much for your support. Patnaik Garu, thank you for your support. Chandrasekhar Garu, thank you for your support. And of course, TV has been RM Marketing Sainath Garu, thank you so much for your support. And of course, I cannot forget TV Narasimha Rao as well, because he's been always with the patients, caring for the patients at Apollo, where I see patients. And it's been an amazing experience with you all. So thank you so much, sir.
We have started the days in such a very wonderful fashion with the donation of the cancer screening bus to Grace Foundation. And I think there is one thing that will definitely come to all of us, our minds. While we have been working hard in the offices, we have touched every Indian. I mean, that is one thing which comes very much uppermost to our minds. Friends, we are in LIC. and we are really honored to be an LIC because LIC is giving us the opportunity to bring succor to so many millions and crores of lives in our country. And definitely, I think a very, very happy LIC day. My greetings to each one of you on this very colorful day. Friends, definitely we will have to rededicate ourselves to all the commitments that we make to our policyholders. Every policyholder who is entering our system, he is coming into our system with certain promises, with certain guarantees. And I think all of us have to stand, not just people who are working in zonal office, but also across the entire South Central zone. We have to ensure that we meet those commitments. We not only meet, but exceed those expectations. I'm sure a little transformation is going to happen in the days ahead. And I'm sure all of us have to ensure that this transformation also happens in a very smooth and congenial manner. And LIC stands uppermost in the hearts and minds of every Indian as days go by. Friends, this is a time to rededicate ourselves for the cause of ensuring the uninsured and the underinsured who are running into crores of our population. So I am sure that especially working in zonal office, I think we will have to play a more definitive role and support our divisions and branches so that our agent, when he meets with a prospect, he is absolutely sure that he has the backing of his branch office, divisional office, and the zonal office. And with that backing, I think every interaction that he makes with a prospect will convert into a sale. I think that is what I think that kind of a support we need to give. I'm sure that we will have to work with extra speed. We will have to work using more technology. We should be more tech-driven. We should be able to reach out to our customers. And it is the duty of every employee that we build a customer-centric organization where the customer feels happy that, yes, I'm very happy to be associated with LIC. We have been doing all that, but I think nowadays, as you all know, there is a huge information explosion. There's a huge social media explosion. There's a lot of activism that is happening in the out in the marketplace. I think we need to have a different set of skills to win in this battle. So therefore, friends, I think we need to adopt and also adapt to the new changing scenario and probably reach out to our customers, both internal and external, in the best ever fashion. So once again, my greetings to all of you on this wonderful occasion, which we look forward to. And this is also, this is also one time, I think, when we just take stock of all the things that we did so far. And it is also definitely a time, we always think about that 5 crore share capital, and today we have built 38 lakh crore assets. What a journey it has been. It has been a wonderful journey. This is also time for us to definitely remember all the people who are associated, those who were there when from unit companies it came to LIC, and those who have retired earlier, those who served in the past. I think this is one day when I think absolutely we need to remember everybody for all their hard work. And then it is also very important for us that we hand over the mantle to the next generation in a very robust LIC is what we should hand over. That kind of a responsibility is there on all of us. So friends, once again, greetings and all the very best.
A very good morning and happy LIC day to everybody assembled here. So, when our esteemed zonal manager, sir, he had announced that he will be honoring employees who completed more than 100 modules of GANPEET during the insurance week. There was a tremendous response from all of you. The numbers rose from 13 employees who had attempted to 70 numbers. So in 1 month almost we have crossed a very large gap. And now it is my proud privilege to announce the names of those who have completed more than 100 modules. So please, and they will be honored at the hands of our respected zonal manager, sir.